genuinely doing it because they feel like they might be able to save someone's life?
Well, I think that would be more virtuous because it's more predictable.
Okay.
Whereas this is, okay, let me as, maybe as a father of three, go into this room and press this blue button that doesn't even guarantee my survival and me being there for my children. Let me just, put a blind faith in humanity that random people across the globe will do the same. That's irresponsible.
What if you knew that your three children had to also go in and push the button?